can you give everybody out there a great big hello? Very nice. Now, Yellowknives Amazon parrots are normally found in the forest of central level. Are you ready to show them? Yeah, are you ready? Okay, everything's fine. We're safe up here. Oh, you want to, what? We didn't finish the kiss? You got to do your kiss. How about a great big kiss?